I'd like to show you easier way to make pleated gift wrapping. It's just making the pleats part separately. Cut the paper just for covering the box. Close with the tape right side on top. Using another paper, fold the right side edge inward a little. Then turn over the paper. Start making pleats in odd number from right to left for any happy occasion as Japanese traditional wrapping way. But if you wouldn't care much, it doesn't matter. Fold inward the right edge of the last pleats. Cut the extra paper at the back. Take the tape down the back to secure the pleats. Add a couple of double-sided tape. Then press down the pleats part on the front of the box. Face down the box to close the bottom side and the top side of the box. For a deep box, at first push downwards the top tab, then fold both sides in the end, and make clean crease. Pull up the bottom tab. You can just close it as it, or make the another fold at the center to close. Do the same thing for the other side to close. This one is used the accent color paper. Of course you can use the same paper and make like diagonal pleats. If your paper was short, no worries, just add the pleats part. This is pleated randomly in odd number. Put the double-sided tape on the both edge at the back of the pleats part. Then press it on the front of the box for adding the short part. Push tape down firmly, then close the bottom and the top side of the box, same as the previous one. Cut the paper just enough to wrap around the box. Close it right side on top as the Japanese traditional wrapping way. Any extra paper you have, make 3 diagonal pleats. Fold inward diagonally at the right side of the third pleat. Cut the paperwear at the half-inch from the folding line. Secure the pleats with the tape from the back. Then add a couple of double-sided tape and place on the front of the box. Then face down the box to close the bottom side and the top side of the box. For a flat box, fold in the end both sides at first. Fold the top tab down. Fold at the center of front tab including the pleats part. Then close it. Do the same thing to close the top side of the box. Fold inward the pleats part together. Fold at the center of the front tab, then close it with double-sided tape. Make clean crease each corner. You can also make a fan shape with a separate paper. Fold at the right edge diagonally. Turn over the paper and make fan-shaped pleats in odd number from right to left. Fold inward the right edge of the last pleats. Cut the extra paper with both sides at the back. Make shape it nicely. At the back, secure the pleats with a tape. Then using the double-sided tape, place it on the top of the box. Then close the box same as the previous one. Here is another way to add the pleated paper when the paper is short. Fold a little the right side end to make clean crease. Take any leftover paper you have. Fold a little at the right end. In this option, make pleats in even number, because it counts the main paper edge as pleated. Take a couple of double-sided tape on the right side edge of the main paper to put pleats part together. Close with the double-sided tape firmly. Cut the extra paper, then close the box as same as the flat box. So now, 1, 2, 3 pleats. Here is another sample. Make even number straight pleats, but with the main paper edge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have an odd number pleated happy gift wrapping. So always keep leftover paper for the future wrapping.